Dear learners, welcome. We all know that young children learn better in child-centered environment where they can experiment on their own with the things they are involved in, where they are actively engaged in learning, where they have a voice and the opportunities to act on the ideas and objects in their world as well as feel them. Activity or interest areas play an important role in this process. Learning areas are the locations in the classroom where children can engage themselves with the materials relevant to a particular developmental domain. These are the places where they learn by play and participation in the event of their choice. Developing activity or interest areas also help teachers in handling multiple age groups. There are different activity or interest areas such as library and literacy area, dolls or dramatic play area, discovery or science area, block building area, math or manipulative area, art area, and music and movement area. Activity or interest areas in the classroom should be well designed to create interest in children. They should be built in such a way that they are accessible from all sides of the classroom. This allows a teacher to see all children and ensure their safety. If space is limited, then at a time at least 4 areas should be planned in the classroom. Alternatively, provide or create rotating areas by changing every 15 days so that the children are exposed to a variety of environments. Let us understand the kinds of areas and the process of creating each one. The library and literacy area should have a variety of age-appropriate children's magazines, information books, picture books, story books, big books, local folk tales, thematic books, comics, slates and chalks, etc. Dolls or dramatic play area should include various kinds of dolls, doll-size furniture and clothes, doll-size cooking utensils such as pots, dishes, spoons, etc. Pretend food like vegetables or fruits made of clay, dress-up clothes such as scarf, cap, stole, jacket, small sari, long piece of cloth, etc. Comb, mirror, walking stick, old spectacles, non-functional telephones or camera, briefcase and lunchbox, etc. Discovery or science area should be well equipped with materials like ramps and wheel, magnifying glass, shells like seashells, seed shells, etc., plants, seeds, magnets and iron objects, weighing scales and weighs, measuring tapes or any other locally available material. Building block area should have a building blocks of different types, colors, shapes and sizes such as unifix blocks, interlocking blocks, hollow blocks and wooden blocks, etc. Ensure that math or manipulative area is equipped with puzzles, matching cards, lacing cards, seeds, shells, strings, beads, seriated shapes, inset boards, small toys such as cars, trucks, animals, people figures, take apart toys, number rods, abacus and other objects from the environment such as leaves, stone, pebbles, twigs, flowers, etc. The art area should include different types of papers, crayons, pencils, washable markers, slates, stencils, different colored chalks, pieces of fabric, paints, brushes, tape, play-doh or clay, rolling pins and boards, ice cream sticks, old newspapers and magazines for collage and other locally available material. Finally, the music area, which is a very interesting area, and it should be equipped with different kinds of musical instruments and devices as per the need and the availability, such as dapli, bell, bowl, flute, tambourine, string instruments, rattle, utensils of different types of metals, local musical instruments, music system, tape recorder and a variety of DVDs of songs, poems and rhymes. This area should also have materials such as ribbons or scarves for children to use to promote creative movement. These materials and ideas are just suggestive, and I know you all are very creative and would surely go beyond what is just suggested. With this, I hope you will be able to create all or some of these areas in your class as per the level, learning needs, interest of your children and of course the class size. Happy learning!